Hi Crafty Friends, it's Sylvia. How's everyone doing today? So today guys, we're actually gonna look at a beautiful painting that I got from Dreamer Designs, okay? And it comes in a very pretty box, and it comes with a handle, which is pretty cool, just in case you're traveling with it. And then over here, it tells you why diamond paint. It reduces stress and anxiety and improves your focus, helps your fine motor skills, increases your social circle, and helps to spark creativity. All right, and then at the bottom, it basically shows you a picture of the painting. And then on the other side, it tells you the features. It says sparkling diamonds with AB accents, legally licensed images, full drill diamonds, filled entire canvas. It's soft fabric canvas with poured glue and lifetime warranty plus insurance. And then over here it says scam me, redeem for 15% off. Ooh, I gotta try it. I gotta use that. And then of course, how it works, step by step, instructions, and what's inside the canvas. Okay, so let's open this baby up. Now, this one is called Pretty in Pastel by Romy Lerda, or Romy Lerda. I believe it's a full drill. And I want to do this one for an event that's going to happen, I believe, I think in June, by Christopher Colasa and Maritza. Okay, so yeah, that's why I got this one. All right, pretty cool, guys. Look at this. It always comes in a nice bag. This is not a plastic bag, which is cool because you could actually use this bag again. So it's sort of like a reusable packaging or reusable bag. All right, and then on the bottom it says Dreamer Designs. Okay, so let's take out what we have. Let's see what's in the bag. And look at this. And then it comes in a plastic bag, which is pretty cool, I guess, for extra protection. Let's open this baby up. Okay, I guess this is the toolkit. And then let's take out the canvas. All right, pretty, look at that. Nice pink, nice purple or lilac ribbon. And this is really nice. It's a nice, cute little bag, also reusable. All right, let's see. What's in the bag? It's actually a beautiful day here in Texas, guys. I actually went for a walk. I'm trying to walk every day. Wow, so many goodies. I love it. Okay, so it comes with resealable bags, just in case you don't have the containers and you're traveling, you could put them in here. It comes with 2 purple waxes. Okay, as you can see, there's a lot of purple going on. And look at this, guys. I love this. It's like a little hand, and it's a little brush. So I guess if you have to, it helps to pick up maybe the drills if you spill them, or they're in here and you can see, you can push them on the tray. Pretty cool. And then it comes with 2 diamond pens, and of course the 2 comfort grips. And you're supposed to put this in here. Let's see if I can do this one. Oh my gosh. Oh, I got it. I think I got it. Maybe, maybe not. Oh, I did. Okay, there you go. There it goes. So this is for comfort, okay, for your hands, especially if you have arthritis. And of course you have a couple of placers, which is pretty cool. It's got a straightener. I don't know what this is. It doesn't say, but different placers. I think this is for 3, and this might be for, I don't know, 6. And what else? And of course it comes with a tweezer. And this, guys, is to separate. Look at the tray. Pretty cool. Comes with a little door. You can close it, lock it. See? Then you have the drills in here. You can move the drills with a little brush. Oh my gosh, I love this. And then this is to separate. So if you have more, if you want to work with more than 1, so you can put drills here, other drills, another color here, and another color here. So you'll have 3 colors, or 2 colors, or 1 color. Pretty cool. I love this, guys. All right, so let's move all this aside. Now let's go to the canvas. Beautiful ribbon. Now the canvas, guys, is super soft also. All right, let's see. And I believe the drills should be in here. Yep, with the sticker. Where is the sticker? Oh, come on. It's in there, guys. It just doesn't want to come down. Anyway, when we open it, we'll see it. I need it. Come on, sticker. Let me just get it, guys. Sorry about that. Okay, I got it. So let's put that over there for now. All right, so this comes with the instructions, How to Diamond Paint by Dreamer Designs, Paint with Passion. Thank you for your purchase. Again, tips and tricks and the instructions. All right, pretty cool. And then, of course, the sticker. What's cool about this is that you see this? They're individual. You can use this, I don't know, for maybe your logbook. This definitely goes in your logbook. Pretty in Pastel by Romy Lerda. Okay, and it's a square. Okay, here you put down the start date and the end date, and look at this, individual little stickers to decorate. I love diamond painting. And then of course the individual pre-cut stickers for your containers. All right, very nice. And these, of course, the colors. Wow, look at all those bright colors, guys. Absolutely gorgeous. All right, so let's bring out the beauty. And by the way, all the diamonds are resin also. Very, very soft, guys. It looks a little wrinkled, but it's okay. It'll flatten once you have it out. Let's roll it this way. Super, super soft, guys. Really nice. Okay, here we go. Voila! Isn't she gorgeous, guys? I love her. I know, I get so excited. Hold on, let's put this glare over there. Ay, ay, ay. Okay. Is that better? All right, so on the top, it tells you it's called Pretty in Pastel, licensed by Romy Lerda, and the design size is 40 by 60 centimeters, and it's 15.7 inches by 23.6 inches. Okay, it is a square, not my favorite, but I do love this one, so I just said I'll survive. I'll be okay. And then over here it says, delighted with your masterpiece. Use hashtag Dreamer Designs to be featured on your social channels. It's on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and YouTube. All right, and of course it has got two legends. So it's got the one on the right hand side is on the top, and the left hand side is on the bottom. And then in the bottom it tells you it's a lifetime warranty. Okay, so it says your diamond canvas kit comes with a lifetime warranty and free missing diamonds protection from Dreamer Designs, which is awesome. Paint with passion, and then of course Dreamer Design. Now let's look at this. Oh, but before, let's look very quickly at the legend, because the legend comes in handy. If you look at the legend, it gives you a number, and that basically tells you that it's got 49 colors. And then in the middle, these are the symbols, and the symbols are what's in the painting. And the symbols look very, 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 very clear, guys. I'll bring it up so you can see it. And then, of course, a DMC code. And then, of course, I believe there's 5. They're down here, actually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ABs. 5, guys. That's awesome. All right. So a little bit about Romy Lerda. She is self-taught artist from Argentina, and she has worked for fashion accessories and jewelry. But in 2012, she decided to dedicate all her time to her true passion, which is art and painting. And she believes, she really, really believes, or truly believes in women's beauty and power. So she's also known for painting women with powerful big eyes. All right, so let's look at this beauty. Why did I pick this one? Well, hello, look how gorgeous she is, and look at those big, big, big eyes. And when you look at her eyes, they are very, very intense, and they're like sort of like a gray, brownish gray color. And then she's got freckles, and then she's got this beautiful brown hair, and then she's wearing like a sage green shirt, very, very classy. I just love, of course, these colors. And then all around her hair or her head, she's wearing like soft pink roses. And who doesn't love roses? And of course some leaves all around her. Look at those roses, guys. And my favorite, of course, besides the color of her blouse, is the color all around her. It's sort of like a soft pastel color all around her. It's absolutely gorgeous, guys. I love it. So as soon as I saw this one, I said, I've got to have it. Well, let me bring it up so you can see how clear it is. Oh my gosh. Okay. I don't know. Hopefully you can see it, because sometimes if I bring it up too quick, it doesn't focus. Oh, there goes the roses. And look at those eyes. Very, very intense. Okay. And then look at those lips and more roses. And let's not forget that beautiful sage green blouse. Very, very nice. All right, so I'm going to put this aside and we will look at the colors. All right, let us begin. And by the way, these were all in order, which is awesome. I love that. All right, this one is 225, which is shell pink, very ultra, very light. Hopefully you can see that from there. 310, you have 2 bags of 310, and this is black. This is very little of this one. 317, and this is pewter gray. 318, this is steel gray light. Also very little. 433, and this is brown medium. 434, and this is brown light. I think we could put one more here. 564 is violet. No, I'm sorry, 564. Oh, I wrote the wrong color. All right, so this is like a minty color. 564, I'm sorry. 598 is turquoise light. This is 600. This is cranberry, very dark. 602 is cranberry medium. 604 is cranberry light. This one is 754, and this is peach light. 758 is terracotta, very light. Very, very little of that one. 760 is salmon. Oh, there's 2 of these, sorry. Okay. 761 is salmon light. 781 is topaz, very dark. 783 is topaz medium. And 814 is garnet dark. And of course 815, so this is garnet medium. Can we squeeze another one in here? No. 818 is baby pink. 819 is baby pink light. And 823 is navy blue dark. I think it's this one. 831 is golden olive medium. 832 is golden olive. 895 is hunter green, very dark. And 898 is coffee brown, very dark. So I guess we have one more row here so we can fit. 934 is avocado green, black. 938 is coffee brown, ultra dark. 939 is navy blue, very dark. 3046 is yellow beige medium. 3047 is yellow beige light. 3346 is hunter green. Of course, I'm going to squeeze this one in here somewhere. And 3347 is yellow green medium. I don't know if you can see those. Put this over here. But anyways, just by looking at these, you have lots of pinks, lots of these salmon colors, browns, yellows, greens, a little bit of everything. All right, so let's move these aside. Almost finished with the colors. Let's see. This one is 3348, and 3348 is yellow green light. 3371 is black brown. 3712 is salmon medium. And 3712, oh wait, yeah, oh, there's two of those, sorry. And 3713 is salmon very light. Okay. Did I do these? Yeah, I did. 3753 is antique blue ultra very dark. 3779 rosewood ultra very light. And I did not do these. Why? I have no idea. Okay, so this one is a 3811. It's like a minty color also. 3820. It's like a yellow mustard color. Sorry about that. I don't know why I didn't write these down. 3823. It's like a pale yellow. 3811. 3831. It's like a very red orange color. And then you have two of these. 3832. Okay. All right. So let's put these aside so we can see the ABs. All right, so we have 5 ABs, and this one is very, very pretty. Look at that. It's like a very light pink AB. And this one is a white. This one is a white one, AB. This one is like another pink, but this one's a lighter pink. This one's a darker pink. There's another pink color. Wow. And this is like a yellow green. Like a very, very light yellow green. Okay, so we have 5. So we'll go back to the painting or the canvas, and let's see where these beautiful ABs go. And I'm gonna have to push the light back so you won't see the glare. All right, is that good? All right, so the first one is 45. And so 45 is this symbol. And so let's see if I can find it. Oh, mamma mia. Oh, mamma mia, guys. Let's see. Well, it's like a pink color. It's not around her face. So don't see. Oh, right here. It's on her lips, right here. Some over here on her upper lip. Let's see. Down here, any of the flowers? Yeah. It's like very, very, it's on the very light pink parts. Some here. Yep. Okay. So that's going to be on her lips and some on the roses. And then this one is 08, and 08 is 46, and that's a O or 0. So that's on her eyes. Wow. Also on her eyes here. And of course on the white around the roses. Around here also on the roses. On the roses. And some here on her blouse, on her sleeve. Okay. All right. And then this one is 03, and 03 is J. So wherever you see J, let's see. J, where are you? Oh, it's gonna be in the roses. I see them on the roses. Some on her lips. Wow. It looks so far like the flowers are gonna be very sparkly in her eyes. All right, and then you have another one, and this is 05, and 05 is letter A. I believe it's also on the roses. Yep. All over the roses, guys. And then the last one, I believe this is this sign, and I think this is her blouse. Yep. It's around here on her blouse. Where else? Oh, over here in the middle of her blouse. So yeah, I don't think this needs any more ABs, guys, because it has 5 ABs. So yeah, this is absolutely stunning. I love it. This is my first Romy Lerda painting, and I am loving it, guys. So thank you very much, and I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of the night. And thank you. Bye-bye.